This is the BBQ log. It's meant for anyone who loves to smoke meat, barbecue, outside, inside, for beginners or experts. If you know of someone in your life who loves to barbecue, this is a perfect gift. So here on the inside, recording the price per pound and the weight and whether it's fresh or frozen can help you learn every time you go to barbecue. If you're gonna barbecue the same thing again, maybe you can change your cooking techniques based off that important information. You can give it a little rating here out of 5 stars. Record the marinade, rub, glaze, or the mop sauce you use on the grilling. There's a weather spot down here so you can document the weather. The cooker used, a lot of people use different types of cookers. The difficulty level of how hard the barbecue was, and target temperatures, the type of wood and pellets used is important as well, so that you know what woods gave the best flavors. Here on the right hand side, there are 4 columns for time, the cooker temperature, the food temperature, comment section so you can write down notes for each stage of the cooking process. For example, when you're smoking your meat or barbecuing, you can take a temperature, take a reading into the meat, record the time, the temperature of the cooker, the temperature of the food, and then make any comments like if you rotated it and so on. So you can kind of document how long it takes to get the perfect grill, perfect meat that you're making. These logbooks here at Rustico celebrate people's passions, whether it's barbecuing, fishing, hunting, fly fishing, camping, bird watching. We have lots of different types of logs here, and all of them celebrate these passions. And you can write down your memories, experiences, and document it. So go ahead and get a logbook and leave your mark today.